Right, 2019 Transit Custom in for an Alpine iLX-705. Let's have a little look and see what we've done. Right, so Ford Transit Custom. If you know your Transits and things like that, you'll sort of recognise the stereo setups. So it's got its main sort of control unit here, all in this fascia, little display that comes up on here and everything. And yeah, that's essentially the radio with a drive that is sunk into the right into the back area here that you don't really have much to do with apart from CDs and things like that. So just to show you what's involved in terms of how much has to be changed and things like that. Obviously you get a whole new fascia with this. It's really nicely made actually, it's really well thought out. They think of literally everything. The only thing you have to transfer across over obviously is like the full vent system. But again, all the clips are there and everything, you can screw them in. So it's all as solid as it should be, you know, when it was all in the factory kit. There's then a new little hazard and locks button that goes in. And yeah, it then just looks as it sort of should do really if you had a doubled in screen in there. And then in terms of the iLX-705, it's, well, we've done plenty of videos on it for transporters and other vehicles, but if you are a Ford owner and you haven't watched any of those, then this is a 7-inch in-dash unit. You can obviously fit the Halo 9 and Halo 11 in here, but that would then be sticking out. But this customer wanted an in-dash unit. And you get full HD screen, you get full wireless CarPlay, so my phone is currently connected, so wireless CarPlay, and obviously because CarPlay is built into the phone, it's exactly the same as any CarPlay on any unit or factory system. It does wired Android Auto, so that comes through to a USB, which we've flush mounted here for this customer. Instead of having like a fly lead, we went with let's flush mount it, make it really nice. So your Android phone would plug into that and that would give you Android Auto, and the same as CarPlay, it just works in exactly the same way. It also, this vehicle didn't have DAB from factory, so we fitted an on-screen DAB antenna. So he's now got DAB and things. Let's just turn that down for a moment. So we've got DAB in here and obviously FM. They're all working as they should do. And then that's kind of it really. It all interacts with the steering wheel, so there's full steering wheel control, so I can turn the volume up and down, track select, answer phone calls and things like that. Really nice unit, modernises the vehicle really nicely, and obviously, like I said, interacts with everything that the van has. So it becomes a really user-friendly interface. And again, looks really smart in and fitted. So to avoid any sort of, you know, rambling and boring you or anything like that, if you want to update your Ford Transit with a head unit and give yourself more functionality in terms of CarPlay and Android Auto, then please get in touch, fill in the contact form, let us know what it is you're looking for. Obviously, after you've had this fitted and you've kind of improved that source, this has then got I can't remember what it's called now, my brain's gone blank, but it's the amplifier that's in there is a cracking bit of kit and chucks out far better signal to the factory speakers and things. So these factory speakers will now get a new lease of life, but you know, if you really wanted to crank up the music, they're very quickly going to go, I can't deal with that. So you can then obviously have audio upgrades and things like that, and we can help you out with that sort of stuff as well. So if you really want to make your van a nicer place to be, then start with the Alpine and then go from there, or you can just do it all in one go, and we can help facilitate that. So please get in touch, fill out the contact form, check out some of the other videos and things we've done, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.